Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Did you notice today we are going see 10 mysterious places in India, so let's begin. Number 1, the magnetic hill of Leh, Ladakh. The enchanting hills of Ladakh have more than mere beauty to offer. The magnetic hill, located at an altitude of 11,000 feet above sea level, is one of the most unusual places to visit in India. The mystery: cars driving up the hill get pulled up of their own accord. That is, one can drive up here with the ignition of their vehicles turned off. The theory: this exciting phenomenon is actually only an optical illusion resulting from the hill's gravitational pull. Number 2, the ET-inhabited Konkala Pass at Ladakh. At an elevation of 16,970 feet, the Konkala Pass is one of the least accessed place in India, owing to the fact that it is a disputed territory between India and China. But that's not what makes it one of the most mysterious places in India. The mystery: a number of UFOs as well as strange figures of humanoids have been sighted there, according to many reports. So much so that the locals living around strongly believe that the area is home to aliens. Number 3, the Red Rain at Idukki, Kerala. Apart from a place with rich natural splendor of the Western Ghats, a vast forest reserve, and the tempting coastal curry, Idukki, or the Red Region, is also famous as one of the mysterious places in India. The mystery: the red-colored rain at Idukki first fell on the 25th of July, 2001, and occurred sporadically for 2 months, staining clothes and buildings as it poured. This blood-red downpour, when collected by the locals, turned into clean water with red particles settled at the bottom. The theory: the scientists, after much analysis and debate, have zeroed in on one explanation for this occurrence. They say that the red particles are airborne spores of the locally growing algae in the region. Number 4, the Shrine of the Bullet Baba in Bandai, Rajasthan. There is a famous shrine somewhere in Rajasthan that is believed to protect travelers. But what makes this one unique is the fact that people don't worship the usual figurines of gods and goddesses here. What they worship is a motorcycle. The mystery: a man named Om Singh Rathore, or Om Banna, had died at this very spot in a tragic accident while riding back home on his bullet. What followed was a series of unusual happenings wherein the police would take away the bike, empty its fuel tank, and bind it in chains, but it would return to the same spot before daybreak, every single time. When the authorities finally gave up, the locals built a temple around this bike, which is now listed among the most mysterious places in India owing to the story behind it. Number 5, levitating stone at Shivapur, Maharashtra. The Hazrat Qamar Ali Darwish Hinne is no unusual shrine. The shrine is listed among the mystery places in India and is known for this one special rock that weighs 70 kilograms and can only be lifted by one means. The mystery: to lift the rock, 11 people are required to gather around it, touch it with their forefingers, and loudly call out the name of the saint who placed the curse on it, following which the stone rises up in the air magically. The stone cannot be lifted by any other means, no matter how strong it is. The theory: it is believed that a Sufi saint called Qamar Ali placed a curse on this stone being used for bodybuilding about 800 years ago. Number 6, the gravity-defying palace at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. A stunning creation of the 18th century, Bara Imambara, with a blend of Arabic and European architecture, is among the most mysterious historical places in India. The mystery: this monument's central arched hall is about 50 meters in length and almost 3 stories high, but without any pillars or beams supporting it. The main hall is also famous for its unique interlocking brick structure and for the Bulbul-e-Ayat, a dense maze. Number 7, the place of suicidal birds in Jatinga, Assam. An otherwise quaint and picturesque little village in Assam, Jatinga experiences a bizarre, yet sad phenomenon every monsoon. The mystery: during dark and foggy nights in monsoons, migratory birds flying over the village dive headlong into trees, buildings, poles, and whatnots, crashing to death. Jatinga is one of those strange places to visit in India that turns into a land of mass bird suicide every year during September and October. The theory: ornithologists say that the dense fog and high altitude daze birds, because of which they end up crashing into trees and buildings. However, there are many arguments that counter this theory. Number 8. The Whispers of the Dead on Dumas Beach, Gujarat. Listed among the mysterious places of India, the Dumas Beach in Surat, Gujarat has a lot of spooky tales associated with it. The mystery: people strolling on the beach hear whispers and find no one when they look around for the source. There have even been reports of disappearances on the beach. The theory: the beach was previously a burial ground for Hindus, and thus it is full of spirits of the dead. Maybe it's the theory that makes it one of the mysterious and haunted places in India. Number 9. The Floating Stones of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu holds immense importance in the Hindu mythology, as it is the place where, according to Ramayana, Lord Rama's Vanarasena built a bridge of floating stones all the way to Sri Lanka. But there is something else about the bridge that makes this place one of the most mysterious places in India. The mystery: according to Ramayana, the bridge was built of stones that would stay afloat once the name of Lord Rama was scribbled on it. As it turns out, this wasn't just a story. The bridge was actually made of such stones, as they are still found around here and are a major tourist attraction in Rameshwaram. Number 10. The Tale of Twins at Kodinhi, Kerala. The extraordinary factor about this otherwise ordinary village in Malappuram, Kerala, is the strikingly large number of twin births that it witnesses. Kodinhi, or the village of twins, as it is now called, holds an eminent place among the mysterious places in India. The mystery: once you set foot into this village, you'll start seeing doubles of almost everyone. Kodinhi is currently home to over 200 pair of twins and 2 sets of triplets. And that's not all. Kodinhi's women who are married outside the village also end up having twins or triplets. The theory: doctors believe that the reason for this strange phenomenon lies in the chemicals of the water in the area.